Have you ever felt like your Instagram post just vanished into the abyss with hardly a like or a comment? Well, what if I told you that a few clever tweaks to your captions could turn that all around? Keep your eyes glued here because we're diving deep into the nitty-gritty of Instagram captions that can seriously up your social media game. Let's dive right in, shall we? Imagine you're about to post a photo. Instead of just slapping on a caption like "new post," why not amp it up a notch? Go for something with a bit of intrigue, like, "I'm just gonna leave this here, but trust me, you don't want to scroll past." It's like you're whispering a secret, and who can resist that? Now let me paint you a picture. You're super excited about a product you're launching. Don't settle for a simple available now. No. You gotta build that hype. How about something like, "You've been asking and I've been listening. It's finally here, and let's just say you're gonna want to clear some space for this one." It's conversational, it's personal, and it feels like you're letting them in on a big win. Moving on to those call-to-action phrases. They're like the secret sauce, folks. Transform a basic to-do into an irresistible invitation. Suppose you've got a life hack to share. Instead of a yawn-worthy, "Here's a tip," why not say, "All right, here's the lowdown on the game changer your day is missing." You're practically giving them the keys to a secret kingdom. Getting personal always wins the race. Scrap the impersonal, "one should update regularly," and get down to earth. Try, keep your feed as popping as your Friday night. It's like you're their savvy best friend giving a tip over coffee. And when it comes to Instagram Reels, that's where the fun really starts. Don't just tell them, "Check out my reel." Spice it up. Say, "I just cooked up a reel that's got more flavor than Grandma's secret recipe. You can't miss this." You're inviting them to be part of an inside joke. Now, let's talk toolkits. You're not just posting content, you're inspiring your followers to be creators too. How about nudging them with, "Snag this filter and show me the masterpiece you come up with"? It's not just a call to action, it's a collaboration. And for the grand finale, let's talk about those action prompts. They're like the cheerleaders of your captions. Skip the mundane click here and sprinkle in some excitement. Try, "Hit that like if this hit home," or better yet, drop a comment and let's get this convo started. It's engaging, it's warm, and it encourages interaction. So there you have it. You're not just tossing words into the void, you're crafting an experience, stirring up excitement, and building a community with your captions. And here's your takeaway. Use these tips as your Instagram toolbox to make every post pop. And if you're digging these insights, don't be shy. Tap that like button as if it's hot. Share this goodness with your circle and hit subscribe for a steady stream of social media wizardry. Can't wait to catch up with you next time for another deep dive into digital dazzle. Keep shining, keep sharing, and keep creating.